Hello friends, in this video you will learn about the downloading attribute and align attribute. Okay, first come to align attribute, and this attribute is used to movement of an element. Okay, means suppose we want to move this image to right side of an web page, so we can use align equal to within quotation right, then save the file and refresh in browser. Look, that image is in right side. Okay, then come to download attribute. Okay, this attribute is used to download the element when the user click on the hyperlink. Okay, so it is used only when the href attribute is set. Okay, then we can use anchor tag for linking the download attribute. Okay, first we have to set href attribute. Okay, so visible part of link is downloading and href attribute is bu.png. Okay, then comes to the downloaded file name is university. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Look, download link was added. If you click on it, then that image is going to be downloaded. Okay, I will see you guys in next video.